Welcome to your heard of me Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll to the sound section. Here you'll see the ringtone button panel. Now just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how you can do that, just by use power button. So just click one from the power buttons, then tap here on the settings icon, and you'll see here the same button panels. Now just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe that blue dot to the left side, and then just to save the changes, click to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.